In this video, we will show you how you can install your student LTI app into your Brightspace course management system. Only users with an administrative role can follow these instructions. First, log into Brightspace and click the gear icon on the top right-hand side of the screen. Then click External Learning Tools under Organization Related. Click the button to add a new link and name this link RP Now for Students. Then copy the URL from the install documentation provided by PSI. Click Link Key/Secret and copy and paste the key and secret keys provided to you by PSI. Under Security Settings, choose Use Link Security Settings and check all of the boxes. Select Save and Close. To add RP Now into a course, you'll navigate to the course and choose Course Admin on the nav bar. From here, you'll choose Navigation and Themes under Site Setup. The first tab allows you to edit and create nav bars. You'll need to make sure you're on the first tab, where you'll create a copy of the main nav bar. You should name this something that's pertinent to RP Now. For example, Standard Course Navigation RP Now. You can create a copy by clicking on the little arrow next to the nav bar you'd like to copy and selecting Copy. Click on the copy you've created and you'll see a list of links. Click Add Links and then choose Create a Custom Link. Name the link RP Now for Students and choose Insert Quick Link. Scroll down and choose External Learning Tools, then choose the RP Now app you created upon installation. Then click Create. This link will automatically be selected from the list. Click Add and Save and Close and the app will be available in the navigation bar. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you may have regarding our app.